how to embed Instagram feed on your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your WordPress dashboard, and this is where you will get. Now we want to add our Instagram feed to our WordPress. So for that, you will have to go to plugins and click on add new. Here, you're going to search for Instagram feed. So once you search for Instagram feed, or you can search for Smash Balloon social photo feed directly. Once you do, then you're going to get this plugin right here, and you can see it has 1 million plus active installations, and it's compatible with my WordPress version. So you're going to click on install now. I have already installed it. That is why it says update. You will click on install now and then click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, you can see Smash Balloon / dashboard. And now I can just simply add and embed my Instagram feed. So I'm going to click on add new, and we have to select the theme for our Instagram feed, and it's going to be like this, my user timeline. I'm going to click on next, add source. And right here, you have to connect your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. Once you connect your feed, you can log in with your Instagram, and that's it. Your Instagram will be embedded on your WordPress website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.